Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice for weight loss. We'll focus on transforming a classic dish into a nutritious, satisfying meal that supports your health goals. By making smart ingredient swaps and adjusting cooking methods, you can enjoy delicious fried rice without compromising your progress. Let's dive into the key strategies for a lighter, healthier version of this popular dish. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a weight loss-friendly fried rice. Aim for about 100 grams of lean protein, such as chicken breast or shrimp, preserving to keep you full. Load up on at least 2 cups of colorful, non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots. For flavor, use 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce and a small amount of healthy oil, like sesame or avocado oil, for stir-frying. Effective cooking techniques are key to a lighter fried rice. Always preheat your wok or pan thoroughly before adding just 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil. Stir-fry your vegetables quickly over high heat to keep them crisp and vibrant, preserving their nutrients. Cook your chosen lean protein separately until it's perfectly browned. Finally, combine all your cooked ingredients with your rice for a quick, final toss to meld the flavors together. Portion control is vital for weight management. Aim for about 1 cup of cooked rice per serving, whether it's brown rice or cauliflower rice. Garnish your fried rice with fresh herbs like cilantro or sliced green onions for added flavor and visual appeal. Enjoy your delicious, homemade and healthy fried rice knowing you've made a great choice. Consider meal prepping larger batches for convenient, nutritious meals throughout your week.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.